Welcome to the Colt AR-15 resource. This video is just a quick update on my attempt to restore this Trijicon TA11 Squad Daylight Optic. This is a very old one. It's got a warranty date of July of 2013. I'm guessing it was probably made 8 to 10 years before that. Trijicon's website indicates that these were made as far back as 1992. So the finish on this is, I believe, nickel boron. It's just a flat dark earth metallic color. Pretty neat. So I started out, I got the Optic just like this from a surplus dealer. I started out looking for a mount. I found one of the original ACOG thumb screw mounts, and this has got a packaging date of September of 2004. So this dates the mount, I think, probably close or around the time that this thing was made. I found a anti-reflection device, or ARD, for the Optic. What I'm still missing is there's an adapter that goes over the objective end here, threads onto these visible threads here, and then the anti-reflective device actually threads inside of it. So I still need to find that adapter. And there's an ocular cover for this end. I found that on the internet and I've ordered that. It's on the way. And so when I get this restored, or its final destination is on this Knights Armament prototype upper receiver that I have from the IAR testing program. So what I'm going to do here on this video, I'm going to open this mount. And we are going to install the mount on the Optic. Mounting is very simple. You just have two holes on the mount that line up with the base of the Optic. I've got the two screws. Well, being the Einstein that I am, I thought I was going to be able to get those started with my fingers. Yeah, I got that one started, I guess. Fingers are too damn big to fit down into the space there. I've got the wrong bit in my screwdriver, so let me change that out real quick. And we're going to loosen that up. So this will probably not be the final mounting point, but I just put it on there for the heck of it. So with the SDOs, or Squad Daylight Optics, used on early M249s and IARs, putting this prototype, or I'm sorry, putting this early TA11 with that finish on this IAR prototype upper just seemed like a good combination. Thanks again for spending some of your time here at the Colt AR-15 resource, and we'll see you next time.